This work presents a protocol to explore the anti-obesity effect of two plants used together for a 5-week duration. There was a combined administration of the extract and high-fat diet in the obese mice. The method can promote the benefits of plants in the treatment of obesity.
Excessive body fat accumulation is characteristic of obesity. The disequilibrium between energy intake and expenditure leads to the storage of excessive energy in adipocytes. Actually, obesity is the cause of the 78% of type 2 diabetes, the 68% of hypertensive disease, and the 45% of ischemic stroke cases. Globally, it has been projected that there will be 2 billion overweight and 1 billion obese individuals by 2030. Evidence for anti-obesity drugs indicated a high incidence of adverse effects and toxicity. Surgical treatment interventions such as bariatric surgery are not always suitable. Consequently, more studies are needed to develop new treatments that could be used to decrease the prevalence of obesity. Medicinal plants contain pharmacodynamic bioactive compounds whose synergistic effect is beneficial in the management of metabolic disorders. The discovery of these phytochemical compounds and their use reduce the financial burden of relying on expensive synthetic drugs. Another driving factor in the use of medicinal plants is the perception that they are devoid of adverse side effects. Therefore, the study of medicinal plants and their bioactive compounds has emerged as a key development in modern medicine. Several medicinal plants have been studied to avoid obesity and related diseases. Among them, Syzygium aromaticum has been investigated for